The province of Zambales in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. The province of Zambales has the municipality of Iba as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. It is composed of 1 city, 13 municipalities, and 230 barangays. It was founded in 1578. The total land area is 3,645.83 kilometers squared or 1,407.66 square miles. The province of Zambales is bordered clockwise from the north by Pangasinan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Bataan, and South China Sea. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Zambales in Region 3 or Central Luzon. The municipality of Botolan with 31 barangays, municipality of Cabangan with 22 barangays, municipality of Candelaria with 16 barangays, municipality of Castillejos with 14 barangays, the municipality of Iba, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 14 barangays, the municipality of Masinloc with 13 barangays, the city of Olongapo with 17 barangays, and the municipality of Baluwig with 19 barangays. We also have the municipality of San Antonio with 14 barangays, municipality of San Felipe with 11 barangays, municipality of San Marcelino with 18 barangays, municipality of San Narciso with 17 barangays, municipality of Santa Cruz with 25 barangays, and the municipality of Subic with 16 barangays. And that is all about the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Zambales in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.